Today I'm going to show you how to do tomato gravy. First thing you're going to need to do is get your skillet out, put about 2 tablespoons worth of oil in the skillet, and you need to get that hot before you do anything else. It doesn't have to be sizzling hot, but it definitely needs to be not cold. So let's just give this a few minutes to warm up. It's almost there. The rest of the ingredients you'll need is, so you'll need a little bit of oil. You'll need, or you could probably use shortening. I'm not sure about butter. I would think butter would burn, but you'll need some flour. All-purpose or self-rising, it doesn't matter. And you can use canned tomatoes. I've never used fresh. And this recipe, I'm going to use tomato sauce because my husband doesn't like it chunky. But typically if I was to make it for myself, it would have chunks in it. So, but you're going to need a little bit of water as well. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm not really sure how much flour to put in it. I just kind of put enough in there just to soak up the oil, if that makes sense. And this is literally really quick, so you're going to have to sit here and watch it. So this is what I do. Sprinkle just a little bit to kind of soak up. You don't want to overdo the grease and you don't want to overdo the flour, so because either way, one way or another, it'll kind of mess everything up. So you'll need a whisk and kind of just make a roux. And I can already tell that I need just a tad bit more oil. So I just need to put just a little bit in there, maybe a teaspoon or so, to soak up the rest of that flour. Okay, so the next thing that I need to do is go ahead and pour my tomato sauce in. So you need just 1 can of tomato sauce, 15-ounce size. Okay. And what I typically do is I combine it with the flour that's in there. Try to get some water. You need about, take your can, your empty can. I've already thrown mine away. And fill it with water. But I wouldn't put the whole thing in there. I would just gradually add until I got the consistency of how I wanted it to be. Usually for us it's anywhere from a half a can of water to 3/4 of a can. So now you have to thin it out. That's what I'm working on now, it's just thinning it out. It's literally done. I just thin it out until the way I want it, and then I let it sit so it can warm back up. And it's literally done. But like I said, you can use canned tomatoes. Whether they're the whole peeled, you just have to kind of tear them apart. Or if it's diced, it doesn't matter. And if it's not got enough tomato flavor for you, you could put a little tomato juice in it. I wouldn't use the beet juice, I would use tomato juice. So like now, it's still just a little bit too thick. And of course, it could be double, triple, whatever. I've never froze this, so I don't know if it would freeze well. I have no clue if it would or not. But it's so cheap and so easy to make. Okay, so our tomato gravy is more of a like a dark orange color, maybe a light red color. It's not brown like a lot of people's. That's it. So you remove it from the heat and you salt and pepper it, and you're done. Okay, added some kosher salt. do this, like if it had to sit a while you waited on your biscuits to get done or whatever, you could just like kind of warm it up just a little bit on burner, and then just add some more water to it, just a little bit at a time until it comes back the way you had it. It's just really, real easy, real simple, and literally takes pennies to make. Okay, I'll come back in just a minute and show you all plated up. Okay, so the gravy's all done, biscuits are all finished. And that's it. Old-fashioned tomato gravy.